To sum up in one word, is like versatile. The profiles, whatever you are carrying. I know the passion is about acting, dancing, fashion, right? It is all together. So how it started? Like it started in your childhood, or maybe a college, or now what it is?
So I think for me, the dancing has always been there from my childhood. Like I always wanted to dance. Like it was not something that I actually learned or I got from somewhere. Like when I even like my first performance was when I was 6. That I happened to dance on Aja Nachle, and my mom dressed me up fully. I danced in a school, so that time also I didn't went to any choreographer or anywhere to actually learn it. It was almost like it was in me, that you just feel that you want to dance, you want to this and that. It's just like you're born with this. It was like that. So that was my first performance. From that time to actually keep on dancing and more on the side of you know that became my passion. To it was more, I think I could just define it as a breath. Like it was my breath, like the dancing was that. And then from that to actually going into the authenticity of the dance styles, going into whacking, got to know about the style. From there to get into the fashion industry also, because that just attracted me a lot to
Express.
express myself, identify myself, and also like walk with that confidence when you wear those clothes and you feel like this is who I am. And it all like that kind of also built me a lot of different characters. Like that gave me a lot of different characters. Like every single costume outfit gave me a different vibe character, which also led to somewhere acting.
Right, and I think all the three forms like fashion, modeling, and acting, it needs a lot of expression.
Yeah,
True.
yeah, yeah, true that. Like everything is a way of expression. Like if you say dancing, if you say acting. From dancing, I think it was more about me being myself. From there, I got a lot of confidence to actually talk about myself through my movement, through my body, through my expression. So
Yeah.
yeah.
What about you? I know that you are also a Kathak dancer, right?
Yes, I'm a Kathak and Bharatanatyam dancer. So for me, I think it started when I was 2 years old because my sister was also a dancer and I used to see her and watch her dance on stage, right? And it gave me that, how butterflies we get right now. So that's like a childhood butterfly for me. And my mom dressed me up in one chunni. There was this chunni because I was so tiny, right? I can't wear a sari. So there was this chunni she wrapped around me, and then I had to go on stage. The lights were off, then I started crying. Yeah, so that's when my mom understood that, we have to put her into dancing. Then that's how my Kathak and Bharatanatyam journey started. Well, later on in my life, I became very close with my grandfather. Well, who was a social leader and he was really good at social speaking. So I learned chess from him. So while I was learning chess, I was also soaking in his power of public speaking, right? And what all he has done for the society. And that really, gave the zeal in me to also do that later in my life, probably. That's how I landed into pageantry actually. Because pageantry is just not about one person, it's about representing a community. It's also about representing the kind of person you are, from the state you come from, or maybe if you have any hardship in life, probably just like I have vitiligo. So I really wanted to speak about it. It's an autoimmune disorder. So I took that as my project and I went forward with it. And that's where I found myself to be the most connected to myself and taking the legacy of my family as well. I also want to add my grandfather was the first person to be acting in any Tollywood film in Bengal. So that was the first film in Bengal and we used to call it Jol Chobi. So Jol Chobi is the first film in Bengal, and he, played the character of Mahaprabhu. So I think I've gotten that gene from him as well. So yes, then I landed into Bombay after the pageantry thing, and yes, acting.
Mine was like very different. I think nobody from my family was into art at all. Like not even a single person. I can say that. Okay, even if I find and search go down, there is no one. I think I was only the one who started doing it. But yeah, I'm glad.